Your original hometown dealer, Saida, Trudeau Chrysler Jeep Dodge and Ram.
4 candidates went before the board for consideration regarding 2 open contracts for public defender services. The candidates included Kelly Blatnick, Alexis Duecker, Thomas Gibson, and Mark Shockley. 2 of the candidates, Thomas Gibson and Alexis Duecker, are fully qualified under the Department of Indigent Defense Services regulations. The other 2 candidates, Kelly Blatnick and Mark Shockley, are DIDS qualified to handle up to Category Low B cases, but no High B or A cases. Thomas Gibson did not appear in front of the commissioners.
I'm licensed in 14 jurisdictions, and yes, federal jurisdictions count. Those jurisdictions include the United States Supreme Court, the United States Tax Court, the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals, the 10th Circuit Court of Appeals, the Federal Circuit Court of Appeals. Yes, Washington, D.C. does things differently. They have their own special Circuit Court of Appeals. The Florida State Courts, the Utah State Courts, the Nevada State Courts, the U.S. District Court of Florida Northern District, U.S. District Court of Florida Middle District, and U.S. District Court of Florida Southern District.
I come before you guys today. I put in my application for to be a public defender once more. I did it again, or I did it before a year ago, and candidly, I loved it. I love Pahrump. My grandma lives out here. We own land out here. We have a trailer out here. I like Nye County. It's way easier to practice in Nye County than it is in Clark County. But the issue I ran into, it was the caseload, candidly. But I didn't realize that I could bring on another attorney who can help me work the caseload, which I have Carl Shelton, who applied with DIDS recently, so I don't know if his stuff is through yet. But he's a 10-year civil litigator, and he's willing to help me with the caseload.
I'm an attorney. I've been an attorney since I was sworn in September of 2000. Started my practice doing construction defect cases, and been doing a lot of criminal defense and some criminal prosecution for the last few months. I was a public defender in White Pine County and enjoyed that work and loved it until there was an argument between White Pine County and the state of Nevada. They had the contract. They would not renew the contract, so everyone had to scramble. I've been in various law firms handling criminal defense as well as other cases, civil cases as well. I've had several bench trials. I haven't had any jury trials. I've been both sides of the aisle. I've been a deputy DA as well as a public defender. I prefer the defense side.
My motion would be to appoint both Alexis Duecker and Kelly Blatnick to fill these positions.
Second.
Okay, then I'll call for the vote at this time.
Boscovich is aye.
Aye. Aye.
Or is aye?
What is I?
Okay. Passes 5-0.